Welcome to Ecosummit, Friedrich.
Thank you very much, and thank you all. Good morning to you. My name is Friedrich Rojahn. I'm the co-founder of Solandeo, and I'm here to talk to you about what we can do together to make smart metering attractive. Now, first of all, let's have a good vision. Our vision is that in the not-so-distant future, energy systems provided by 100% with renewable energy supply will be balanced in real time, flexibly at the microgrid level by artificial intelligence, allowing us to move from the picture on the left to the picture on the right. And if that's not obvious, the picture on the left is a view of the United States at night, and the picture on the right is a field of synapses in the human brain. So that's the big picture vision. Of course, in order for us to get there, some key building blocks need to be in place. One of that is smart meters. Why? Because smart meters provide the high-quality standardized data that is necessary to enable all of that, and most of the exciting business models that we hear about at the Ecosummit. As a direct result of that, global annual investment in smart meter infrastructure is expected to rise to over $26 billion within the next few years, so quite a big market. Sadly, and that has to be paid for somehow, and typically it has to be paid for by the utilities that are charged with the smart meter rollout. And in doing this, the utilities typically face two core challenges. One, how do I control the cost of this and do it very efficiently, considering that the new world is much more complex than the one I was used to? Secondly, how do I make the whole thing attractive to the end customer so that they will open the door to me, welcome me in, and ideally pay more money for this new more expensive piece of kit? And only if those two challenges are addressed will the smart meter rollout be a success and generate an immediate return for the utility and its shareholders and stakeholders. Sadly, that's not easy, as most utilities in this room will know. Conveniently, Solandeo already successfully addresses those two challenges today. How do we do this? Well, first of all, by digitizing the metering delivery chain. Metering processes today are about as analog, as complicated, and as inefficient as the old meter assets they were designed to serve. We solve that by standardization, by digitization, and by automation, and have already achieved unprecedented levels of efficiency in delivering smart meter systems to the market and operating them as an independent meter operator in Germany. Secondly, we make this attractive by developing digital services we can bundle with a meter in order to solve immediate customer problems day one of the smart meter delivery, increasing customer acceptance and willingness to pay. What does that mean in practice? Well, let me give you a couple of very concrete examples. Last year, we provided a solution to the German market to automatically integrate any renewable asset into virtual power plants, regardless of the type and size. This helps the renewable plant owner meet regulatory requirements and have their output traded on the energy exchange, thereby making more money than before. And they like our solutions because, first of all, they're substantially cheaper than the alternatives that they need, by a factor of 3x to 10x, maybe 30x in some cases. Secondly, because we're super convenient. Thanks to our efficient processes, we take all the hassle out for the renewable plant owner. We deal with the grid operator, we deal with the trader, we take care of the installation, we provide the software interfaces. So all the customer has to do is sign a piece of paper, which they like. And then thirdly, we're super flexible, works for any type of shape or asset. So we serve today a portfolio of 700 megawatts of renewable power, from 40 megawatt wind parks down to 20 kilowatt solar plants. We're now extending this offer to new segments. One of these segments is residential PV and storage, where we're working with large partners to provide intelligent metering solutions to this exciting and growing market. Why? Well, we've heard a lot about the amazing things you can do by pooling small PV plants, by pooling small battery systems. But at the end of the day, that only works if you have two things. You need a smart metering system of B2B quality, but at B2C prices. And thanks to our efficiency and our software systems, we can make that possible. And this is why we're proud and very happy to work with partners such as Vattenfall, who kindly sponsored our pitch today, and who will tell you more about their innovative solutions with the SunBetsy project at another presentation later today. I'm also very excited today to announce the introduction of a new line of services here at the Ecosummit, where we're going to provide the unique capabilities that we have developed and proven in the German market as a service for utility players. So if you are a German utility and you're sitting on tens of thousands of small renewable assets in your grid, and you don't know what to do with them, and you would like to impress your political stakeholders, you would like to motivate your employees, you would like to wow your customers, grow your green energy trading business, and make more money immediately and at minimum expense, then talk to me, because together we can make that happen. Thank you very much.
Do you need more funding to make all this magic happen?
Well,
are you by any chance fundraising?
Well, as it so happens, we are closing around, but as Christopher Sonnen very wisely said, as a good entrepreneur, you're always fundraising, right?
Okay. So he's up for the grabs. Okay, all right.